How we doing today, people? It's your boy Yankee Man back with another video, and today I'll be doing a very brief review on the motion mount universal phone holder. You see it here. Okay, point of view hands-free design 360. So as you can kind of already tell by the design, this goes around your neck. Oh well, it shows you in the picture up here. This goes around your neck, and you put your phone, or if your camera fit in there, and capture views as you see them. Okay, says for blogging, traveling, cooking, playing, vlogging, and more. All right, this product is by Tzumi. If you've seen a couple of my previous videos, a lot of the product I reviewed has been by this company. I like them because they seem to make some odd electronic accessories, and this here is kind of odd, you know. Didn't cost much. I think I paid $6 for it, but I think it was worth the shot, and just kind of see how I feel. It looks kind of goofy, kind of corny, but it's worth a shot. You know, if you're on vacation or you're just trying to capture something and need to be hands-free. As you can see, the lady here who's cooking, or somebody there is walking their dog or whatnot. Like I say, just gonna be brief. I'm gonna pop it on and do a few videos, brief videos, and capture a few pictures. All right, real quick, let's see what's in the box. Be sure to like, subscribe, and as always, I encourage you guys to comment. No instructions. Okay. So this is what's in the box. The mount itself. No instructions. Just the mount. Okay. So like I said, I'm gonna pop it on and try it out. That's a strong hinge there. I know my fingers look like hell. I know. Thank you. This is foldable. This is a real tight hinge. This is good. Definitely hold your phone in place. Okay. This thing is very flexible. I have a thick neck, so this should fit. So this is what it'll look like on your neck. This is the Note 8 to kind of give you an idea of the size. But it's in there pretty tight. You can see, won't flop out. You really have to snatch it out for it to fall. Okay. And this is how it looks on my neck. It's a tight fit. Your neck thick as mine, I wouldn't advise wearing it too long. But for the most part, on average size people, it should fit comfortably. Okay. Alright. So I have it on my neck currently. I can't really see. Hopefully my beard's not in the way. But this is pretty much the view from, I guess, a neck point of view. Alright. Kind of give you a feel for it. Like I said, I feel like it's gimmicky, but to somebody this might be valuable. And at $5 or $6, it was worth the purchase. Right? Okay, y'all. Like I said, this is gonna be a brief video. That pretty much sums it up. Did forget to mention there's a bolt here where you can loosen and tighten the hinge for the phone. So that's that. This part is not adjustable, which is good. It's locked in, and like I said, it's real springy, you know. But they made it to where to fit pretty much any neck, even necks thicker than mine. Like I said, I just wouldn't advise wearing it too long for safety reasons. Other than that, I like it. The hinge is real tight. There's rubber grips right here to keep from damaging your phone on this side as well. Okay. I'm not gonna say the best $6 I spent, but it's worth having at that price. All right. You have any questions or comments, please drop them below. Like, subscribe, and share. You might not like it, but you might know somebody that does, or that might like it. I picked this up in my local Walmart. I'm pretty sure all retailers carry it. And that's it. It's your boy Yang, and I'm out.